Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can change date format on Excel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. For changing date format or customize date format, select cell or cells, right click and tap on format cells. Choose date. And now you can choose between these formats. For example, this format, and the other. You have another option for customize date format. Again, format cells and tap on custom. You can enter your format here, for example, month dash day dash year. This is my format. Tap on OK and then finish. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.